Today God is speaking to us.
If
you charge your soul alone secretly,
God is
going to do mighty miracles through you. Try to spend time with God alone. Don't always pray with the crowd of the people of the church. Church is very important. Fellowship is must and should be there. But the charging should be done alone. Another revelation is God is telling to me right now. I cannot charge all your phones with my one charger alone. You have to have your own charger. I cannot give my charger at a time to you all at a time. Impossible. That's why sometimes you need to separate from the people. Go to the secret place. Don't tell to anybody. Speak to the Lord. Lord, use me. Lord, I want to change my place. Give the power to change the people. I want to preach your gospel with power. I don't want to talk normally. If I speak, people will reject me. If you speak through me, people will accept you. Lord, give the power. Lord, use me. I must be the greatest weapon for God. If you pray alone, God is going to do mighty wonders in this everyday heart. Jesus cannot come for second coming.